Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear your cache or data in your Edge browser. So first thing first is, just as we open our Edge browser, why do we want to clear our cache or cookies or even the browser data on this Edge browser? The reason is that most of the times when you are working with your Edge browser, sometimes it gets laggy, or even trying to visit website, it will not allow you to visit certain website. And most of the times when this happens, it's within a time interval that it starts to be working. Let's assume that you used it yesterday and yesterday it was working normal, and today you just try to work on it and then it's just misbehaving. But for us to clear our cache or cookies in our Edge browser, it's very easy and simple. Just as our Edge browser has opened, click on these three dots here, click on it as it drops down. Now go to settings. Right, under the settings, now just come on your left side here, and then you can see we have here privacy, search and services. So click on that. So these are different options which are here. We are going to be clearing the browser data. Click on clear browsing data. Click on that. So as it opens, you can see that we have here choose what to clear. So click on choose what to clear. So here, as you can see, these are the options available. Most of the times you can say you can take it to all time, but what I recommend is that if you take all time, your browser history, password saves, which are controlled by your password manager, are all going to be cleared. So I recommend that you take for 24 hours. So if this happens within the 24 hours interval, just select 24 hours. If it's happened within 7 days, just select the within the 7 days. Right, or within the 4 weeks, just select the 4 weeks. But all time, don't select all time, because this happens within a time interval. So I'm just going to select the last 24 hours. So click on this last 24 hours and you can see all this. We have browsing history, download history, cookies, cache, and then all that. So once you just make sure that all is being checked in order for you to be on the safe side, because you don't know which one is affecting the browser to be misbehaving in this essence. So you just check everything. Once we now select everything like that, now just click on clear now. Right, just wait for a bit, depending on your browser data within that time interval. Once that is done, what you just need to do is that just restart the browser. So close it and then try opening it again. Try accessing the browser to see how fast or slow it's going to be. And I'm sure that this is going to solve your problem. So that is just how easy and simple it is to clear your cache or browsing data in your Edge browser. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one. Peace out.